what's good? It's your boy Leon. We're here at Lollapalooza. We're heading to T-Mobile Club Magenta to play Ring Your Roadie. Come on, let's go. For a chance to spin the wheel, what's your go-to festival food?
Hot dog, always a hot dog.
Do you have a roadie you could call who would answer and say hot dog?
Yes, my mom.
His mom.
In high school, every day when I come home, 2 hot dogs ready for me. She knows what's up.
Is she gonna answer?
I think so. We got like 2 rings left. That's cold to get hung up on by your mom, dude.
At the tone, please record your message.
I'm here with...
Drashti.
What instrument would you play if you were in a band?
The violin.
Do you have a roadie you could call right now who would answer violin?
Hopefully.
All right, let's see if they answer, okay? All right.
Hello, Dave?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm here with like T-Mobile.
All right, Dev. What instrument would your sister play if she was in a band?
I don't know, like a flute?
Is flute your final answer? Like, knowing your sister, what instrument would she actually play?
Violin?
You are correct. You got to spin on the wheel.
Okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Thank you, Dave.
You won after show tickets.
Oh my God, I don't know what to say. Thank you.
What T-Mobile stage headliner would you trust to babysit?
Billie Eilish?
All right, do you have a roadie who you could call right now who would answer Billie Eilish?
Yes.
All right, let's see.
Hello? Okay, answer this question.
So if Jolene was to choose a T-Mobile stage headliner to babysit her kid, who would it be? Would it be Billie Eilish, Kendrick Lamar, or Red Hot Chili Peppers?
Come on, you know this. You know this. Yeah, you do. Yeah.
She got Billie Eilish, so you
Yeah.
got to spin on the wheel.
Okay, you are the best, truly. Thank you.
You won merch.
Oh, nice! I won merch.
At the tone, please record your message.
Mom, what the hell? This is Lennon. I'm here at Lala. Pressure's on me in an interview for T-Mobile. I don't know what I was gonna win, but something. My phone isn't working, so I had to borrow somebody else's. Still alive, having a great time here at Lala. Miss you, love you. Also, go-to festival food, hot dog.